to pack, and it's so heavy. Okay? I wish you could. That's scary. I said, Kitty.
Morning.
Morning. Going to get our Thailand vaccines.
Yeah, I'm gonna take a metro, and girls have their appointment at 8:30, and we don't have our appointment until 5 p.m. All right, we just need to walk to one metro and like 3 stops, and we should be there. It's different out here this early in the morning. It's like 7:30. Okay, we are almost to the bottom of the metro. This is one of the longest escalators ever. It feels like, I don't know if that's actually true. I haven't done any research, but it's a long one. Kind of get vertigo going down. We just got off at Coleman, and now we just need to walk 2 minutes to the medical place, get a couple jabs, and we'll be done. Maybe we can go shopping. Okay, we're just walking to the medical center, and Harper just threw up all over my back. Oh, man. Okay, vaccines are done. She wanted to give us like everything under the sun. Whew. So, girls are anyway. We gotta come back later for us. Yay! It's a hot tub. We're gonna stop at the mall real quick, see if we can get some stuff for luggage and maybe some lunch.
Disney. Okay. Oh.
What is that?
It's a Peppa Pig.
That is so cool.
Whoa.
It's a puddle.
What?
Rapunzel's house. A puddle.
Did you see that?
A puddle. I'm getting this. Okay. I want this. Please, I want this.
Oh, girls. When we get to Thailand, we will probably buy you something later, okay? But we can't go here because we have to fly. Okay?
It's like in the suitcase.
Okay.
What in it's a sword and a what?
Ooh, shield?
Shield.
That's cool. So, just walking around the mall. Having a pretty good day. We need to head back to the apartment though and get laundry done and pack, things like that before we have to come back over here for Mom and Dad to get their shots. Yay! These escalators are so long.
It's turning. I see it.
Okay, we are getting ready to head back out, and we're gonna try and find those vacuum bag things. We got like some big bulky things, like the dresses that we got the girls in Munich, and their floaties and swimsuits and things like that we don't use in every location, and we're wondering if we can just vacuum them down and make our packing a little bit easier. So we're getting ready to head out. We're gonna go to this mall that's in like the opposite direction of where our doctor's appointments are, and then we're going to rush to our doctor's appointment. So everything should be good. Are you ready, Harpy?
Yeah.
I love you.
I have a tie.
You do.
Daddy has a tie too.
Oh yeah.
This is the vacuum bag too. But
Okay, we got the vacuum bags. I don't know if it's exactly what I was looking for. I'm hoping, but we'll see. We will see. Yep. Okay, got what we needed at the mall, and now we just need to go catch the metro to head back to that med check center, and Lindsay and I just need to get our typhoid shots. Then we are ready to head to Athens, and from there, Bangkok. All right, we made it to our stop, and now we just need to go up this long escalator and get to the med center.
Here's your food. Here's your food.
Okay, we are all vaccinated for typhoid.
woo!
We got a woohoo. That's awesome.
Ready for Thailand.
I don't. Thailand.
Sit. Go sit.
We get a shop.
All right, we're back. We need some food, coffee, Red Bull. We got a lot of work to do. Maybe we'll do a time lapse of us packing tonight. That'd be kind of neat to see, wouldn't it? All right, we'll see. If I decide to do a time lapse, then here it is right now. Ooh, cool, huh? All right, we'll see you later.
We're back. Now it's time to pack.
We're pretty much packed up. It's about 10:30,
We have to get up at 4:45.
so we're doing what any responsible adult would do and having some beers. We only have one beer, so that's okay. Girls are watching the iPads. Harper's asleep. Got everything packed except for just the last minute things, chargers, toiletries, things like that. Kitchen's clean. Most of the trash is down.
Ready to be in Greece.
I'm ready to be in Greece too. Yeah. Yeah, we're not gonna be doing much in Greece this time. We're gonna be there for a real short period, but it'll still be nice. Maybe we can rest a little bit before our big 29-hour day to get to Bangkok. That's gonna be a big one. Might have to be a 2-part video. Oh, well, we're gonna head to bed. We'll see you tomorrow.